And this last one, like, was in the freaking boonies. So. Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Bee. This is Gig Money Madness. I appreciate you riding along with me today. I'm trying to make a comeback here. Hopefully, the invalid traffic is just going to be gone from my channel. I unlisted a few videos that might possibly be the problem, so I'm going to do this video. We'll see how the monetization turns out on it. If it doesn't, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do, to be honest with you. So we'll see how this goes. It's good to be back in the saddle with you guys. Hope that things have been well for you all. I think it was maybe October was the last time I recorded, so it is winter now. It was fall when I left. We had a big snowstorm here a week ago Tuesday. Today is Wednesday the 17th. So, you know, it's still sticking around because the temperatures have been frigid. That's all I can say. It has been so cold here. Today it's gonna get up to 33, which is the warmest it's been in the last 5 days. Anyway, I am on my way to Walmart right now. My first order of the day is for $24.87. It's going 8.7 miles. There's only, of course, one stop on Shop and Delivers, so nothing new there. It's telling me the travel time for this is going to be 17 minutes. So once I get it shopped for, there's 14 items. I don't think it'll take me very long. I didn't even look at the list yet, so but I'm not worried about it. Alright guys, I am on my way to do a route for Delivered. It's one that I usually do every Tuesday, but the weather was bad here in Kansas City. Yesterday there'd been quite a few accidents, so I kind of bowed out yesterday. And apparently they weren't able to get all of the boxes delivered yesterday. They deliver food, frozen food, in boxes to customers for the week. And so I'm headed there right now to go pick up the boxes and then deliver them. And they're gonna pay me $130 to deliver 13 boxes. And it'll probably take me 3 to 4 hours to get it done from start to finish. All right guys, I have everything loaded up. I'm on my way to my first stop. It was about 10 minutes from where I picked up the boxes, and I'm about 3 minutes away from it right now. It's about 11:14. I'm hoping to have this done within 2 hours. So we'll see how this goes today. I got up there, I headed up that direction about 9:45, so of course, when I get there, I'm always chatting with people, so I got my car loaded up and then was chatting with a buddy of mine, Chris. So I'm hoping these aren't too far apart, at least more than 5 to 7 minutes apart, so I can get it done quickly. So. I'm a little over halfway done with this route, and I've probably been going for about an hour and 5 minutes or so. Everything has been fairly close up until now, and now I have a 17-minute drive to the next drop-off. Alright, so it looks like it's 16 minutes to the next drop-off. And I don't think it's going back the exact way that I came, but if all the rest of these are 16 minutes in between, this is going to take me forever. And this last one, like, was in the freaking boonies. Alright guys, I am done with that route. I finished it right at 2 o'clock. That was a weird long route. I did not like that route. It seemed like a little bit in between and a little bit towards the end. I had to drive like 20 minutes to like 3 or 4 different times, and so I think they routed it incorrectly, and that's what caused part of the issue. But anyway, it's done, it's over. It's about 3:11 right now, though. I'm just sitting here at the supercharger charging my EV. I'm sure you guys that have watched my channel previously know that I just bought an electric vehicle back in September. All right, guys, it's about 4:15 right now. So far today, I have made $154. So that includes the spark order I did this morning for almost $25, and then the delivered route that I did for $130. I'm gonna do my brother-in-law's grocery shopping for his business, and that will give me another $50, and I should be able to have that done in time for the evening rush, dinner rush. So. All right, guys, I have my first order of the evening. Forgot to take a screenshot of it. Got to get back into the swing of this. It was for $8.50 plus, and I think it was going like 3.4 miles, something like that. Okay guys, it's getting pretty dark, so I'm not going to keep recording, and besides the fact that all my camera batteries are pretty much dead, so, and my microphone's dead too, so if you have trouble hearing me right now, sorry about that. But anyway, you know, put in the comments below how you're doing, how you've been the last few months. You know, let me know how your market is, how you're doing in your market. Just curious as to how all of you have been. I've actually missed, you know, the communication with you guys. Every once in a while, somebody will get on the one of my old videos and pop in and say hello and see how I'm doing. So I appreciate you guys watching as always. And I'll let you know how this one turns out and how the rest of my day ends. So anyway, I'll leave it at that. You guys stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully.